Welcome to another edition with Lifestyle with Ivan. Tonight I'm gonna do something kind of simple and quick. I have some flounder and some whiting that I lightly season. I have some flour. I have some egg wash with milk and some breadcrumb, Italian style breadcrumb. What I'm gonna do, I have the flounder and the whiting. It's in lemon juice. The whiting has like a fishy scent. That's why I season it in the lemon juice to kill some of that fishy scent. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna dip these in this 3-pot seasoning stuff I have here, and then I'm gonna cook it. I'm gonna pour the oil on. I'm not gonna turn it up real hot. I'm gonna turn the stove to 8. Let the oil get a little heat to it. I also have here some more of this green beans. I'm also gonna put that together as we go along. First I'm going to dip the whiting. Dip it in the flour. I'm going to dip it in the egg. I'm going to dip it in the breadcrumb. Well, I already breaded all the fish, and now I'm about to put them in the oil. I have the oil, it's not high, it's on medium heat. I have it at 6. And that already smells delicious. Already. And I just put it in. Now, well, let me fry the fish first because it don't take long for the fish to fry. Want to get that golden brown right there. Nice golden brown. That's what we're looking for. We don't want it to fry too fast. So I went down a little bit more on my heat. I went down to 4. I want the fish to cook before it starts to brown the breadcrumb. So I went down, I have it on low heat. While I'm cooking the fish under that low heat, I'm gonna go ahead and turn the heat on in the frying pan here so I can cook my beans. I'm gonna put some of this virgin olive oil in the pan. But that, and they come to get hot. I have here a half a stick of butter. I'm going to put about that. That's about a quarter. Now let that butter and that oil, let them fall in love. Mm. That smells romantically delicious. Now I just put the green beans in the frying pan. I'm going to let it start to cook. And I'm going to add a little seasoning to my green beans. I'm going to add some of this honey garlic rub to it. Honey garlic rub brings out the flavor. Then I'm going to add a little onion powder. I'm going to give it a little lemony, zesty taste. So I'm going to add some of this lemon pepper. And this seasoning here, my wife loves this. Is Creole original seasoning. When my beans are done, I'm going to take the beans out. Right here in the toast oven, I have some garlic bread. Just warming up some garlic bread. What I'm going to do here now, I'm going to attempt to make some tartar sauce. I'm chopping up some of this onion, cilantro. Some of this green onions. Some of this green onions. Put a little green onions. I'm going to use some of this sweet salad cube. It's almost the same thing as the sweet relish. I'm going to use a teaspoon of that. I'm going to use some Hellman's mayonnaise. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of that. You know what? 2 tablespoons and a half. I'm going to put some this of lime. Use a little lime. So mix all the stuff up so they can all just get together and have a good time. Well, I just took my garlic bread out of the oven. Everything is done. So now I'm going to fix plate. For me and my wife. I know you want on the side. Some of that tartar sauce with the fish. There you have it, folks. That's the final product. I have the that's the flounder, it's the whiting, garlic bread, and the string bean tartar sauce. I made it for the first time, and everything smells so good. And I want to thank you for hanging out with me this evening. I mean, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, hit the bell, so you know when so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. I'd like to hear your comments. Leave me something in the comment box. Let me know. Let me know how I'm doing. Let me know what you think. Okay? And until next time, well, we're not going to be joining the dining room tonight. So until next time, I thank you again for hanging out with Lifestyle with Ivan. And until we meet again, we gone.